Here we go. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, 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 hello. So, this is the Homeowner Follies, the video edition. That's right, video. Hey. So, what I'm going to show you is, because we are now homeowners and we can barbecue, that I picked up a little small Smoky Joe, as you guys probably read about, and I decided to try my hand at lighting the charcoal. And according to what I've read, I mean, and this is just based on the stuff that's out in the Smoky Joe manual, it says that, use a chimney starter. I haven't got a clue what a chimney starter is. I remember the old school way of doing it. You take the coals, you drop them in a pile, and you douse it with a ton of lighter fluid, so that when you light it, it's like a nuclear bomb in a smaller scale without the radiation. Anyway, so I bought the chimney starter, and apparently all you do is you put the coals in at the top of this thing, and you put a big wad of newspaper, underneath, and you light the newspaper, and it's got enough holes in it, and I'll show you in a second. It's got enough holes in it that the newspaper has a lot of fuel, which is oxygen. Science. And it'll burn up, and then it'll heat up the coals really quickly, and it does. I was really impressed. It took less than 10 minutes to get these coals hot. Let me show you the whole 9 yards, and we'll go from there. So hold on, let me just do a little of this and a little of this. There we are. Whoops. There we go. Good. There we are. Very good. So we're all set. There's the chimney starter on the Smoky Joe. It might be a little overkill because the thing is pretty big, right? But as you can see, there's the holes, and underneath is where you pile the newspaper, and you just light it with a long match or one of those stick lighters. And you can see this has only been, I literally lit this maybe 15 minutes ago, and those babies are toasty, so they're just about ready to be poured out. And then I'll start getting my hickory wood chips and placing them around, and we're going to do the indirect cooking method, so we'll see how long these ribs take.